it's Jennifer, and I'm back for day 6 of the Advent. So let's take a look at what is behind day 6. So I'll pull open the doors, and then it's an owl. It looks like another chomp, and it says what is the owl holding? What is the owl holding? Sorry, my nose was itching all of a sudden. But it is another chomp bar, which is yummy. So that's cool. And where? I know I look funny looking for it. But where? There's the owl. And he's holding a fudge bar and a gift. So I'm sorry, I had to go find him. Here is our tea for the day. It is organic Himalayan, pure and natural grown tea. Nice. Let's do a yarn, and then the Hobby Lobby, and then a yarn. So here is our Southern Skeins for day 6. And I like to twist it because it opens easier. Alright. And Southern Skeins. And there it is. Look how pretty and pink that is. Oh, look at the colors. Look at the colors. I know. I left tissue paper behind. Sorry. And there's the colors in that one. That's really pretty. And then we have the day 6 for Hobby Lobby. And that's red. Okay, we got 4 tubes, and here's each tube with a print. Here's one, and here's the other one. Here, and here's this one. Nice. And then here is this one, and air empty, but you would, I guess you would put tapestry needles in these. See? Oh yes, perfect for tapestry needles. And to go with that, we got, it's rubber, and it has a cutter on it, so we could cut the yarn. And also to go with that, I don't know if you can really see it, there is a needle threader, and it's rubber. And I kind of like it because it looks like a Christmas tree, and it's double-sided. The yarn cutter is also double-sided. I like these. I like these a lot. So there is more than enough of these. I don't even have enough at all. I don't even have enough tapestry needles to fill them up. But I suppose I could put stitch markers or beads. Well, I don't use beads, but other stuff in them. I really like these. These are cool. So we got the tubes, the threader, the cutter. I got the tea and the chomp and Southern Skeins Mini. And now for the Paw Ply. Oh, I love that color. This is called Christmas Clementines. And there it is. Oh, I love it. That's beautiful. So, these are the 2 colors for today. And look, they kind of go together. So that's really cool. So, that was for day 6. Stay tuned for day 7. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.